Welcome to my home lab. In this new video I want to install Docker on our Fedora server and change the default root data directory. We're gonna install Docker engine on Fedora following the Docker docs. After the installation we're gonna manage Docker as a non-root user. And the third part is the daemon data directory change. Go from this to our mount new directory. We are on the command line on our Windows PC. We do SSH, password, and we are logged in. The first thing we do if we install new software is to update the system. So sudo dnf up, password, and the system is dating up. See, we have some new things. Yes, accept. Not so big, so it's going to be quickly. See, it's downloading. It's 12. Now we can start installing. Post install. And our system is up to date. Now we go to the explanation. If you have an old version, you need to remove it first. See that here. The first thing we do is to set up the repository. So copy first command, go to the command line, paste it, and run it. Updating system, DNF plugin, and complete. Second command, copy it, go to the command line, paste it, and run it. Adding repo to the system. After that, we go down. We need to install Docker CA, Docker CA CLI, containerd, Docker build plugin, and Docker compose plugin. Copy here, go to the command line, see, copy it, enter, and see, we're going to install the things and the dependencies. Yes, okay. You have to accept fingerprint. Yes. And Docker is installed. Back docs. Enable Docker. So copy it. Command line, paste it. So systemctl enable Docker now. Okay. Read the link, and that's okay. Now the last step is to run the hello world Docker image. Copy it. Go to the command line, paste it, and enter. Et voila. Everything is working fine. Now we go to the second step, the post install manage Docker as a non-root user. The first thing we need to do is to add the group Docker. Normally it's okay, but we do it anyway. See, sudo group add Docker. But as you can see, for me, the Docker group is already exists, so we do nothing. Then add the user to the Docker group, paste it, but to change user, my username. So if you want to do it, you have to change to your username. User mod, G, Docker, the group, the username. Okay. Down. Now we activate the changes. So that's okay. And now we can run the hello world without sudo. Try it. So Docker run hello world. We do the same like where? Like here. But before we need to use sudo. And now no more. Again, everything is working fine. Now we go to the last step and change the daemon data directory. If you remember from a previous video, I created a special directory under home to save the Docker files. First, we have to edit the daemon file. So we go to a new tab, configure Docker daemon. You see, Linux a regular setup. Here, that's the directory of the daemon.json. Sometimes it exists, sometimes don't. Normally, at a fresh install, the daemon.json does not exist. So we're going to look at it. We do cd, so, and you see the daemon.json don't exist. Also important, the directory is for a root, so we need to do sudo. So sudo the directory, and we add our text editor. For me it's v. Enter, password, go sudo. Et voilà. You see, we have a new file is empty. First, we create a new tab. Again, SSH, password. And we do ls all. See here, if you remember from a previous video, we have a Docker ready for our new configuration. We go back to RV, go back to the docs, and see here what we need to do. Copy that, go outline and paste it. The only thing we need to change is the directory itself. Insert. First, we remove all that. We go back to the second tab, and you see we have the home, a username, and Docker. Sorry. First step, and see, as home, username, and Docker. Escape, clone, WQ, and save it and quit. The last step is to copy the old directory to the new one. First, we need to stop Docker, systemctl stop Docker. See? Stopping Docker service. The next step is to copy with rsync the old directory to the new one, home, my username Docker. Enter. See, so copied. Now we can restart our Docker, systemctl start Docker. It's okay. We can also do status. And you see it's enabled and active running. With the docker info command, we can check if the directory is okay. Go to the top, see here, all information. And down below you see Docker root directory, home, my username, Docker. So it's okay. Now you can check to the containers, but for me we don't have containers because it's a fresh install. Command is to remove the old directory. If you have a system that is running already a couple of days or months, it's better to wait some time before you remove and be sure everything is working. But for me that's no problem because it's a fresh install. I remove the old directory. We are at the end of this new video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.